From Daily Forex, this is Christopher Lewis looking at the upcoming 22nd, and I've got the euro dollar in front of you, and you can see that this market has broken down significantly after initially trying to rally. I think 122 is a given at this point. Probably even going to try to go lower than that. The uptrend, I think, ends at the uptrend line and 121. So if we break down below there, all bets are off. Yield spiking after the FOMC minutes in America drove demand for the dollar. That's what we're seeing. I think 122 is probably a target, though. It's the 100% Fibonacci retracement. Over here in the British pound, this is getting interesting because this is the 50-day EMA underneath, and that should offer dynamic support. So if we can break above 140, then I think that everything is okay. We are making a series of lower highs, and that does have me a bit concerned about the health of the uptrend. If we break down below the 50 EMA, we could go down to the uptrend line, but right now, I think we're in for a rough couple of days while the market tries to decide where it goes next. Quite frankly, I'd probably stay out of this pair.